Today we are reviewing ALLPOWERS power station, so let's go ahead and show you guys what it can do. So this is the unit. Now whether you're off-grid, camping, at your home, this thing is small, but yet it packs a punch. You have your plug that it comes with in a manual. You have your light on the back here as well. So we probably have to power the whole unit on here. So once you have it turned on, you can see your display on here. It's a little hard to see outside. Maybe if we take this off, you guys can see it better. A little tough to see outside with the glare, but in person you can easily see it. So we got 65% battery left. So you just press and hold your power button to turn that on. And actually no, it looks like you just press it. If you want to turn the AC on, you press the AC. You want to turn the DC on, press the DC. Let's go ahead and try out the wireless feature. And for doing this, our phone should light up showing it's charging. There we go. You guys see that? See the green spinning? Wireless charging. So just like that. Again, the wireless charging works excellent. That's good to know. Love that. Now let's take a look at the light. So here's the light. Couple modes. Great for camping. You have your one grounded outlet. You have a Type-C port, two 18-watt USB ports. And of course you can set up Bluetooth as well.